Number 19, Part A. The owner of a small store buys coats for $50 each. Part A. She sells the coats for $90 each. What percent of the purchase price is the selling price? So I'm looking for the percent because it says what percent. So I know that I'm going to have X over 100. And then in my question it says what percent of the purchase price? Well, her purchase price was $50. And the selling price was $90. So it's asking me what percent of the purchase price is this price. So I'm simply going to use my process again of cross multiplication. 90 times 100 is equal to 50 times X. I can put my dollar signs in there. So this is 9,000 and this is 50X. I need to divide each side by 50 to isolate my X. 1 times X is simply X. 9,000 divided by 50 is 180. So the percent is 180%. Part B. The owner increases the sales price the same percent that you found up in Part A when she buys jackets for $35. So she purchases jackets for $35. And then she sells them. How many jackets must the owner buy for the total jacket sales to be at least 250? So I'm going to use the same percent as up above because it told me I was. This is her purchase price of $35. And so what I'm going to do is try to find my selling price. Once I find my selling price, then I will be able to determine how many jackets she needs to sell if she wants to get at least $250. But until I know that, I can't determine it. So 180 times 35 equals 100 times X. Divide both sides by 100. I'll go ahead and do the calculation here. 180 times 35 equals 6,300. And I have to divide that by 100. So I can cross out 2 zeros down here. I can cross out 2 zeros up here. And I'm left with 63 divided by 1. So 63 divided by 1 is 63. So her selling price is $63 per jacket. That's per one jacket. The question is asking, how many of these jackets does she need to sell in order to get $250? So there's many ways I could do this, but one of the ways is to take the amount of money that she wants and divide it by the cost that she is going, or the amount of money she's going to receive when she sells them, and you find that you get a really long decimal. But you need to use your good brains and you need to think, she cannot sell part of a jacket. So we're gonna have to round this up to 4. She is gonna have to sell 4 jackets in order to get her $250. As a matter of fact, she's gonna get a little more than $250. I'm going to let you explain your answer on your own.